Hi, we're at the Ingenico PayTech event in Lisbon and I'm joined by Giulio Montemagno from Ingenico. Hi, how are you doing?
Hi, how are you? Very good. How are you?
Good, thank you. How are you enjoying PayTech?
I'm loving it. It's been a tremendous amount of energy from our clients and partners from all around the world after 2 years of pandemic, and everybody was very keen to get together and meet again. It's been tremendous.
Lovely, thank you. And we're going to talk about payments platform as a service today, PPaaS. Could you define what that is?
Absolutely. Our mission is to connect the worlds of commerce and payments. So we enable our clients, the goal for us is to enable our clients to deliver advanced payments and commerce services to their end merchants. And to do that, we have built a completely new platform, which is cloud-based and API-driven, which we call it's a payments platform as a service, we call PPass. And the platform has been built around a few core principles. Number one is as a service, meaning that everything that we build is a standalone service. We've designed and published over 250 APIs that our clients and partners can use to connect into our platform. Another key principle is low code, where we very much see PPass, this platform that we built, as a technology enabler, where we want to do all the heavy lifting and remove the complexity for our partners and clients to launch into a new country, to add a new service, and to deal in an economically efficient way with all the compliance requirements and skill requirements changes that happen all the time. And we want this platform to operate across all endpoints, across different acquirers, across different device manufacturers, whether it's Ingenicos or other manufacturers. And as we build for agility, we also very well know that people come to Ingenico for the security, because we know what providing bank-grade security at scale mean, and so that is natively built into the way we build PPaaS. And finally, the core principle is this large catalog of services that we are enabling and deploying. Services that range from traditional payment cards like Visa, MasterCard, to now QR-based wallets, as well, all the way to loyalty data intelligence programs that we are enabling on the platform. And we allow banks and acquirers, for example, to seamlessly deploy to their terminals around the world.
Lovely, thank you. So we're in 2022 now. The payments industry has seen a lot of different organizations collaborating together. And you mentioned cloud, APIs, and how important this is to PPaaS. How crucial is data to the success of the entire ecosystem? Yeah,
this ecosystem is very large and very complex. So data helps make sense of it, and data is very crucial to what we're doing. And one of our, there are many things you can do with data. Starting from the most basic, our job as a PPaaS is to deliver the right data to the right audience at the right time. For example, we provide advanced merchant reporting capabilities where merchants can see all their transactions through a variety of different payment methods, and we give them the tools to slice and dice the data anytime, any way they want. Mm-hmm. We also work with our third parties to enrich the data sets with non-transactional data, and then provide the tools for the merchants to translate this into actionable insights for them and help them drive their business. But at any time, we know that ultimately data belongs to our clients. So it's our duty to protect it and never compromise on data and security, and very much comply with all local regulations. So in the vast majority of jurisdictions where we operate, we know that there are strict data privacy requirements that require us to host the data locally. So we comply with all these requirements.
And how is PPaaS different from other payments providers?
Yeah, we believe we are different in a variety of ways. Let me offer a couple of examples. So the first one is that we're while we're building PPaaS to be an omni-channel proposition, we're very much focused on in-store, at least for this first initial part. And a lot of the talk that we've seen, that we heard over the last few years, a lot of platforms have been built around primarily e-commerce, which is fantastic. And we've seen how digital channels have been embraced by consumers and merchants at scale, particularly accelerated by the pandemic. But still, 75% of commerce happens in store. 75% of transactions will continue to be originated, in our opinion, for at least the next 8 to 10 years. So one key area for us is to develop this payment platform as a service, particularly for in-store merchants, and help them keep up with the expectations of consumers that have been driven by consumers' digital experiences. And we know for a fact that, and we see that every day working with our clients, that merchants, most of them are struggling to keep up with this type of expectations. The second thing is this concept of payment orchestration in store. Again, we're building this large catalog of services comprised of payments and commerce services, and we're building the tools to enable merchants to orchestrate, to present these different services to their consumers in store. And again, the ability to do this in store is very, very challenging, given the constraints coming from the hardware, given the very, very strong security requirements. But solving that challenge and do that at scale is precisely the ambition that we've set for PPaaS.
And how do you see PPaaS evolving over the next 5 years?
Great question. So, well, first and foremost, I see PPaaS evolving its ecosystem of service providers to include hundreds of carefully selected and curated providers of services on our platform, and again, payments and commerce services. Secondly, I see more and more clients embracing PPaaS because they see the benefits of what we bring in terms of scalability, technology enablement, and cost. And we're already seeing that, and very much part of our conversation with clients today, where we hear from them they do not want to spend a year building a feature or entering a market and test a set of features for another 6 months, and then ultimately finding themselves offering the identical and very same feature set that the next competitor offers. So we believe that the value lies in how the combination, the orchestration of these different services, how this would be delivered in every geography, in every particular category, the business model that this will enable, and ultimately how these business models will increase value for merchants. And we believe that PPaaS can be the infrastructure to allow all of that.
Lovely. And will PPaaS be a topic that you explore at your event in Miami on the 8th and 9th of June?
Very much so. We look forward to meeting all our clients in North America and the clients and partners there. Absolutely.
Lovely. Thanks so much. Thanks for such an interesting discussion, and have fun in Miami.
Thank you.